Childbirth is purely a natural function of every human being. It should be with very little pain or discomfort to the woman. But most of the civilized women today find the bearing of children a task fraught with grave risk and suffering, and face numerous postpartum complications. This is solely due to lack of knowledge, wrong dietary habits and faulty style of living. But the really healthy mothers will always have a smooth time during pregnancy and easily go for normal delivery. Welcome to Anana's nursing tutorial. Today we will discuss the natural ways to deliver a healthy baby with minimum discomfort to the mother. So first point is healthy birth weight of baby. The process of childbirth becomes painful mainly due to a large fetus in the womb. The weight of the baby should be about 3 kg to maximum 3.5 kg at birth. But if the weight is more than that, delivery will be very painful and also chances of normal delivery will be very less. This results from an excessive intake of denatured foods such as white flour products, white sugar, refined cereals, bakery products, meat and other flesh foods during pregnancy. Second point is proper antenatal diet, which is very important. There are several studies that shows a definite relationship between the diet of the mother and the condition of the baby at birth as well as the mode of delivery. The idea for eating for two is so prevalent today, which is very absurd and it leads to unusually heavy baby. The mother should take the right food in right amount and not the extra portion of meal. The fetus requires an adequate amount of organic minerals from its mother for building of bones, tissues, and which can only be supplied by natural foods such as fruits, vegetables, sprouts, wholemeal cereals and milk. So the diet for expectant mother should be planned likewise, including the portions of protein, iron, calcium and vitamins. There is already a dedicated video of antenatal diet in the channel, so I am not going into details. I will give the link of that video in the description box below. The next important point is avoid constipation. Pregnancy is rendered more difficult in case of habitual constipation, and in the advanced stage it is aggravated by the pressure of enlarged uterus on the bowels. This can be avoided by eating plenty of fresh fruits and vegetables of high fiber content. Use of probiotics such as curd is also very helpful. The expectant mother should drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water every day and should not delay in going to the lavatory when there is urge. Caffeine containing foods like tea and coffee should be avoided. In severe constipation, a lukewarm water enema can be taken once every week with the consultation of doctor. Next is antenatal exercises. Lack of exercise is another cause for which normal delivery is less frequent nowadays. Breathing exercises and other mild exercises are very important during the period of pregnancy. Walking for at least 20 to 30 minutes daily is very essential right up to the end of 8th month, and all household duties should be performed in a normal way. This will keep the muscles of the womb and pelvis in good condition and will ensure safe and easy childbirth. Again, there is a dedicated video of antenatal exercises in the channel. All the exercises are very nicely described there. I will give the link in the description box below. However, all the exercises should be within the capacity of the prospective mother, and all undue strain, worry or excitement should be avoided. The last but very important point which people generally ignore is the hygienic habits. Some unhygienic habits of living also become barrier in the process of normal delivery. Smoking and alcohol are strictly avoided. Restrictive garments are not recommended. Loose cotton clothes are best for expectant mothers. A tapered sponge twice a day is very soothing during this period. It will help to relieve the back pain and the joints pain. Proper sleeping habits should be followed. Going early to bed with minimum 8 hours of sleep is essential. If you follow these habits, childbirth will be very easy without any complication and in the process of normal delivery.